Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome back to Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. I'm your host, Fumani Mtombeni. As I said, we will continue our video. On the background, we have SNS. Don't forget, don't forget to like and subscribe. We just added another S to the group. But then, no pun intended. No pun intended. Consider to Network, love and peace. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Comment on our show. You can also hit the notification bell so that every time when you post, you get notified. So, we continue from where we left off. We can't have a guest and have like one video with the guest like we normally do. So, you're gonna have the fun of the Nota of football. I'm glad you like the name, bro. Yeah. So moving forward, we have Uzwane. Uzwane was also a promising aspect. He played a few games and he shined. He was shining in the development. Abiza, he was under the supervision coach was the previous coach here, Orlando Pirates, former Orlando Pirates coach. Rivero, a good Black Label. He was under the supervision, and he played very, very well. Only to go back to the bench. Do you have any opinion about that? Because of the player was loaned to Swelele last season, and then when he came back this season, Mamisegwe new team, yeah. So, what's your take on Uzwane?
Yeah, Uzwane is one of my players that I admire the most. Yeah, but I won't say he was promoted in the wrong time. Because Uzwane promoted where Atazwane was the coach at Chiefs, and he understands him better because from development and he's a close friend to Baba Wake. So Umfana, I think he was comfortable. So I won't say Guti maybe come in the wrong time, because you remember Guti when we speak about Ungobo, I was worried Guti when he come, it was a very different philosophy. Guti Besuka Uzwane that is believing ekudlaleni. Now he's coming to Minendorp that is very harsh, is a very strict coach. Yeah, so with this boy Uzwane, I think he's a very good boy. He's a good passer of the ball, physical strong. Yeah, Mfana is physical strong and a good passer of the ball. I like him, Shem. Yeah, but one thing I notice him in defending is not good. And in modern football, he demand. Yeah, that's why it always favor. I'm a player that are willing to work hard, are willing to suffer. Yeah, that's why he favor about Oaks. We are not fans above Oaks, but when they are on the field, you can see the difference. So I think Umfana, he need to work hard about kwindaba defense yakhe. But I was not happy to see uCM ekhuluma on other radio station about behavior yakhe noMashiane. He say ukuthi these boys they come like big headed coming from Chiefs and indaba yama players from Swelele because he was working with them with loan, so he was not impressed the way Abebe's conductor ngakhona. If you can even see uMashiane, he failed under Gavin Hunt kuma trials there, and I was expecting Gavin amthathe. So kune problem nabafana in terms of maybe behavior, but I can't speak much of that. But I'm happy now is loaned to NFD because I think NFD is omnceda because it's a very physical league. Demand and akazobana pressure there because it's not televised. But I don't know how Chiefs works because Chiefs last season they loaned almost 10 players like Abo Kosana Mbuto, many players, Okosa, but there is no player that you can see Ukuthi Bayibuyisile is gonna play. Yeah, because I don't know ukuthi they assess lama player bawalonile or they only depend ku information abayithola etimini. I don't know how i-loan isebenza kanjani, because I believe ukuthi ma uloni player you have to go and watch la player and we assess to make sure ukuthi this player is ready to come back to a first team. But let's hope umfana is gonna go there and improve. Age sengakuye according to South African football, because he's on 20 something.
He's too old to go overseas.
Yeah,
He must just forget about it.
so let's hope uzobuya strong. I think it's last chance. And one thing I like about my team, Kaizer Chiefs, is I won't like it, but Chiefs is a very lenient team. Kuma players, they give you time, but as player they don't use, because time is very important. Some other teams you don't get this time. You won't talk with Chiefs these opportunities, because at Chiefs you won't be productive for years, but they will still give you time. Like even Nabomfundo, it's been their third season, but we are patient as fans. Even the management is patient with them, but I think is the thing ukuthi mele bayisebenzise ukuthi lesi sikhathi basitholayo they need to use it proper. But I'm wishing all the best for umfana. I like that boy. And also uzoba kwi-company, because I also hear ukuthi balone uBonhle Molefe, the goalkeeper coach. He was on loan even last season, so they were loaned we same team. So I'm hoping them ukuthi loan yabo izoba successful. We are not happy ukubona ama development players siwaluza, but at the very same time I'm not happy the way they do things. They're supposed to step up, because our rivals Orlando Pirates, you can see they are development players. They are overseas now, so they need to rise to the occasion.
Yeah, another quick question. No, I like what you just said. Ne? I have a question for you, ne? On the side, off topic in regards to this, but then I hear what you're saying. Like every company that I've worked for, they had a performance rating system that they by 70s mostly would know my KPIs and whatnot, you understand? So I'm also questioning myself, good ikona is system enjalo vele ku Kaizer Chiefs, because of the players we loan out. They never come back to come and play for us or come back and perform better, you understand? They just go and they end up disappearing. But then nonetheless, thank you for bringing that to my attention. Moving forward, ne? Quick question. Currently right now, who's your favorite player in the first 11 or in the entire squad, the Kaizer Chiefs? Like you say, like this one, I do not want to let go of.
Yeah. I have always soft spot my development players. Umfundo is my favorite player. And I'm good at checking players, I'm good at analyzing players. I know is one of my strengths, but the most difficult thing, I don't understand the exact position Kamfundo. But we under 20, he played very well as number 10. At Chiefs, I don't think he's ready to play as a 10 because of his physique, because of many things. I don't think he's ready. But you see, when Urele, they move him to number 10, we were concerned about his physique, but he performed very well. So Umfundo, it's one of my favorite players at Chiefs, but the positioning, it also goes with Umtu. I like Umtu, but I don't believe Umtu is a number 10. Umtu is supposed to play as a wing. So Umfundo is my favorite player from these development players. But the player that I love at Chiefs is Lebohang Mabo.
Big player. No, that's a very big player. No, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. He's also one of my favorites. But going deep into that, recently I've grown fond of Undlovu. Kaizer Chiefs hasn't been playing for the past 5-6 days. Yo, you understand? Because of that player is good at taking instructions. Individual brilliance in the Sundowns game is phenomenal. Like I've never seen him perform like that. I always know to I just seen him as an ordinary number 8. But that day, I don't know. wabamfake ku-10 isibone ukuthi uzosenzelani because of his good at taking instructions.
Nami is also my favorite Ndlovu, and also now is an experienced player. Sometimes uyakwazi ukuzisafarisha abe i-dirty player, criticize where sometimes he can play if you can see on Saturday, but unida ukuthi no one is perfect. You need to limit some things because he tackles that as Tatayo, he can be a career ending tackling. But ngiyamthanda the way he bossed the midfield. I always say I always reference because some other fans they don't know maybe I would say the culture of Kaizer Chiefs, but Chiefs always have those bosses in the middle of the park. Abonengo Mashe, Isibuto, Jabulani Mendu, Abo Katsande. So Ndlovu, no Mthethwa, they always remind me those players, but they have a room to improve, and I also believe Kuta Cruz they will improve.
He's a very good coach. Quick one, gents. Favorite players, SNS?
Now I can say Bartman. I spoke to Ndamda when he said that guy is a gem, man. I went to watch him.
True.
I was just watching him. I wasn't watching the game. I was watching him. I saw his movements of the ball because you need to understand that in soccer you hold the ball maybe 3 minutes out of the whole 90.
Yeah.
So what do you do for the rest of the 87 minutes? So I was impressed with how he runs. Of course, as Simtembile said, that there's a lot that nobody's perfect. He still needs to improve in some other areas.
Spewer?
Yeah, man, it has to be Batman, and since now we have another player, it's Faiz, and I think the guy's gonna do great.
You're looking forward to Faiz.
Looking forward to Faiz.
Now I can't wait to see him. I can't wait.
Peter says he's a mistake. He's also a great player. Peter says no keeper.
Yes, he's also a great player. I said Ndlovu. I said Ndlovu right now. As for Peter saying, he did say he's probably going through something because of the goalkeeper coach that put him in for. He currently left the team, you understand? So we don't hate him. And I don't want to lie to you. Even the next game, I want to see him at the post. I don't want to see Lina yet. I'm not ready for Lina yet. But I'm ready for him because of the last time I saw him perform with Ricardo Lina. It wasn't a very good performance. So I'm just wondering, is he still in? Let's try him in another game. Not now. It's still early. We still need our 3 points because of Phambili. Sazokar. No, that's all Bafetu that we have for you. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please do not forget, like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell. Do it all. Comment. Bafetu, if you are not watching this channel, I wonder what are you doing? And this is Kaizer Chiefs Yetu Network. Love and peace.